Amazon Christmas is running huge offers all over the world, but many of you might not know about the mega deals and big savings on items. Here you'll find incredible discount of up to 50% across all your favorite product categories. To make it even easier, we've rounded up the 9 best 4K Full HD dual dash camera on Amazon that you can save you a huge amount on Amazon. So don't forget to watch to the end. All the mentioned product deals links are in the description below. Number 9. The Rove R2 4K Dual Dash Cam offers premium video quality and advanced features for full vehicle coverage. The front camera records in stunning 4K 2160p, while the rear captures FHD footage, ensuring complete protection on the road. Equipped with Starvis 2 sensors, it delivers exceptional low-light performance, producing clear and detailed recordings even at night. Built-in 5G Wi-Fi allows lightning-fast transfers up to 20 megabytes per second via the mobile app, making playback and sharing seamless. The included 128GB card provides ample storage out of the box. Additional features like loop recording, G-sensor collision detection, and easy app control enhance convenience and safety. Compact and durable, the Rove R2 4K Dual Dash Cam is an excellent choice for drivers seeking high-quality footage, reliable performance, and advanced functionality.
Number 8. This 3-channel dash cam offers complete coverage with front, rear, and cabin cameras, making it perfect for families, rideshare drivers, or anyone seeking full vehicle monitoring. The front and rear cameras record in sharp 4K, while the cabin camera captures 1080p footage, ensuring every angle is covered. IR night vision provides clear recording in low-light conditions. Built-in GPS logs speed and location, while 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi 6 supports fast 20 megabits per second video transfer for easy viewing. Features like G-sensor, 24H parking mode, and loop recording provide reliable protection even when parked. A free 128GB card is included, and it supports up to 512GB for extended recording. Compact, durable, and feature-rich, this dashcam delivers excellent performance, safety, and convenience.
Number 7. The REDTIGER F17 4K 3-channel dashcam offers comprehensive coverage with front, rear, and interior cameras, making it ideal for rideshare drivers or families. The front camera records in 4K, while the rear and interior cameras capture 1080p, providing complete protection inside and outside the vehicle. Built-in GPS logs speed and location, and 5 GHz Wi-Fi allows fast video transfer for easy review. The 3-inch screen simplifies monitoring and settings, while IR night vision ensures clear recording in low light conditions. The G-sensor automatically saves footage during sudden impacts, providing crucial evidence when needed. With loop recording and a 64GB card included, the REDTIGER F17 delivers reliable, high-quality performance, user-friendly features, and excellent value for drivers seeking total coverage and safety. Number 6. The REDTIGER 4K Starvis 2 dashcam front and rear is a premium choice for drivers seeking top-quality video and smart features. The front camera records in stunning 4K, while the rear camera ensures full coverage of your vehicle surroundings. Starvis 2 sensors provide excellent low-light performance for clear nighttime recordings. The built-in GPS tracks speed and location, while 5 GHz Wi-Fi allows fast 20 megabytes per second downloads to your smartphone for easy access and sharing. The 3.18-inch touchscreen and voice control make operation intuitive and hands-free. Loop recording ensures continuous capture without missing moments, and the included 128GB card provides ample storage. Compact, durable, and feature-packed, this dashcam delivers reliable performance, enhanced safety, and exceptional value for drivers.
Number 5. The Sarmert C2 4K dual dashcam offers high-resolution recording and advanced features for complete vehicle monitoring. The front camera captures ultra-clear 4K UHD footage, while the rear camera ensures full coverage with crisp video. Night vision technology delivers detailed recordings even in low-light conditions, while WDR balances exposure for clear images in bright or shadowed areas. Built-in GPS tracks speed and location, adding valuable data for driving incidents.
The 5G Wi-Fi enables fast video transfer and easy op control, making playback and settings adjustment convenient. Loop recording ensures continuous monitoring without interruption, and the included 64GB card allows immediate use. Compact and easy to install, this dashcam provides reliable performance, enhanced safety, and excellent value for any driver. Number 4. This 4K Full HD dual dashcam provides comprehensive coverage and advanced features for safer driving. The front camera captures crisp 4K footage, while the rear camera records in Full HD, ensuring both ends of your vehicle are monitored. Starlight Night Vision delivers clear, detailed recordings even in low light conditions, making nighttime driving safer. Built-in GPS accurately logs speed and location, while 5G Wi-Fi enables fast wireless transfer of videos to your smartphone. The included 64GB memory card makes it ready to use out of the box. With G-sensor collision detection, WDR technology for balanced exposure, and loop recording, this dashcam offers reliable protection, easy setup, and excellent value for drivers who prioritize safety and quality. Number 3. The Avallet dashcam front and rear offers high-quality recording and smart features for enhanced driving safety. The front camera records in crisp 4K resolution, while the rear camera captures clear 1080p footage, providing full coverage of the road. Built-in 5G Wi-Fi allows fast wireless transfer of videos directly to your smartphone through the dedicated app, making playback and sharing simple. An external GPS module tracks speed and location, adding valuable data for incident documentation. Loop recording ensures continuous monitoring, while the compact design keeps the cameras discreet on your windshield. Installation is straightforward, and the dashcam supports night vision for clear recordings in low light. Overall, this dash camera delivers reliable performance, user-friendly connectivity, and comprehensive protection for drivers. Number 2. The REDTIGER 4K dashcam front and rear delivers excellent video quality and advanced features for confident driving. Equipped with the Starvis 2 sensor, it captures sharp, detailed footage with improved low-light performance, making night driving recordings clear and reliable. The front camera records in crisp 4K, while the rear camera adds valuable coverage for complete road protection. Built-in GPS accurately tracks speed and location, providing useful data for incident review. The 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi supports fast downloads up to 20 megabytes per second, allowing quick access to videos through the mobile app. A free memory card is included, so setup is quick and easy. With loop recording, parking monitoring, and durable design, this dashcam offers strong performance, reliability, and great value for everyday drivers. Number 1. This 4K dashcam front and rear setup offers impressive clarity and advanced features for everyday driving safety. The front camera records in sharp 4K resolution, while the rear camera captures clear footage of what's behind your vehicle, providing full coverage on the road. Built-in 5G Wi-Fi allows fast video transfer to your smartphone, and the integrated GPS accurately logs speed and location data. The included 64GB memory card means it's ready to use right out of the box. A bright 3.59-inch IPS screen makes playback and settings easy to navigate. With loop recording, parking monitoring, and reliable night performance, this dash camera delivers strong protection, useful evidence, and excellent value for drivers seeking peace of mind.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.